Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I have an incredibly inspiring story to share with you. It's a powerful example of hard work, dedication, and perseverance. If you're here to learn new English words and improve your listening skills, this video is just what you need. By the end, you'll feel truly motivated and ready to take on any challenge. This is the story of a man who started with nothing and became one of the greatest ever. His name is Michael Jordan. Michael was born on February 17, 1963, in Brooklyn, New York, but he grew up in Wilmington, North Carolina. He was the fourth child in a hardworking family. His parents, Dolores and James Jordan, always supported him. His mom was strict, and his dad had a big impact on him. They taught him about hard work, discipline, and respect. As a child, Michael wasn't very athletic. He was shy and didn't have much confidence. Surprisingly, his first love wasn't basketball, it was baseball. But his mom encouraged him to try new things, so he joined the basketball team at Emsley A. Laney High School. When he first joined, Michael wasn't a star player. In fact, during his second year of high school, he was cut from the team. Can you believe it? The future NBA legend didn't make the team. This could have crushed his dreams, but it didn't. Instead, it pushed him to work even harder. That night, Michael felt very upset, but his parents were there to support him. His mom told him not to give up, and his dad reminded him that success takes hard work and patience. Michael took their advice seriously. He spent the whole summer practicing, shooting, running, and building his strength. Basketball became his passion. He wanted to prove that he could succeed. By his third year of high school, Michael made the team again, and this time, he was unstoppable. His hard work paid off, and he became the star player. He could jump higher, run faster, and score more points than anyone else. But what really made Michael special wasn't just his skills. It was his mindset. He believed in himself and didn't let failure stop him. He realized that failure isn't the end, it's a step toward success. After finishing high school, Michael went on to play basketball in college at the University of North Carolina, UNC. Michael played college basketball at the University of North Carolina with Coach Dean Smith. There, he learned the importance of teamwork, discipline, and focus. In 1982, Michael hit the game-winning shot in the NCAA championship, which marked the start of his legendary career. People started to notice him, and he became a household name. But Michael's journey wasn't easy. Many doubted him, saying he was too small or not strong enough for the highest level. Instead of giving up, Michael worked even harder. In 1984, he joined the NBA draft, even though he wasn't the top pick. The Chicago Bulls believed in him and selected him as the third overall pick. Michael was thrilled but knew he had to prove himself. He started his professional career with the Bulls in 1984. From the beginning, Michael showed amazing athleticism and a strong desire to win. In his first season, he made a big impact, setting a rookie record and averaging 28.2 points per game. Fans loved his exciting and energetic style, but what truly stood out was his belief that hard work made anything possible. Even with his talent, the Bulls struggled at first. They couldn't get past the first round of the playoffs, and Michael grew frustrated. But he didn't give up. He worked harder, practiced longer, and pushed his teammates to improve. His determination motivated everyone around him. By the late 1980s, Michael's reputation as a winner was growing. He won scoring titles in 1987 and 1988 and was named NBA MVP in 1988. But Michael knew basketball wasn't just about personal success. He wanted to win championships. The Bulls hired Phil Jackson as their coach, which changed everything. Jackson introduced the triangle offense, helping Michael involve his teammates more effectively. Together, they built a winning team. In 1991, the Bulls reached the NBA Finals for the first time, playing against the Los Angeles Lakers and Magic Johnson. Michael led the Bulls to victory in 5 games and was named Finals MVP. This victory showed Michael wasn't just a great player, he was a champion. The Bulls went on to win championships in 1992 and 1993, achieving a three-peat. At the peak of his success, Michael shocked the world by retiring in 1993 after the tragic murder of his father. Deeply affected, he stepped away from basketball and pursued baseball, a sport his father loved. In 1995, Michael made an emotional comeback to the NBA. He quickly reminded everyone why he was the best. From 1996 to 1998, he led the Bulls to 3 more championships, completing another three-peat. These years solidified his legacy, as Michael's leadership, determination, and skill were unmatched. Michael Jordan's story is a powerful example of resilience, hard work, and the belief that dedication can overcome any challenge. Michael Jordan retired for the second time in 1999 after winning 6 NBA championships with the Chicago Bulls and being named NBA Finals MVP 6 times. He became a global icon and is widely considered the greatest basketball player of all time. But what truly made Michael special wasn't just his skills on the court, it was his mindset. He believed in always striving for greatness, no matter the challenges. Even after retirement, Michael's influence on basketball remained strong. His Air Jordan brand became a cultural icon, and his impact on sports and pop culture continues to be felt. Michael's story is about more than basketball. It's about overcoming obstacles, refusing to give up, and pushing yourself to be your best. He showed that success isn't handed to you. It's earned through hard work, resilience, and determination. In the early 1980s, Michael was an emerging basketball star. At the same time, Nike, a well-known sportswear brand, was struggling to succeed in the basketball market. Known primarily for their running shoes, Nike wanted to break into basketball and needed a player to lead the way. They saw potential in Michael Jordan, a rookie with the Chicago Bulls. Nike took a bold risk and created a unique shoe called the Air Jordan. With red, black, and white colors matching Michael's team, the design was unlike anything seen before. However, the NBA banned the shoes for not meeting uniform rules. Instead of being discouraged, Michael and Nike turned this into a marketing opportunity. They promoted the shoes as being banned by the NBA, which made them even more popular. The Air Jordan shoes became a symbol of rebellion, individuality, and breaking the rules to achieve success. They weren't just basketball shoes, they represented a mindset of hard work and confidence. People wore them to feel connected to Michael's greatness and his drive to succeed. This partnership transformed both Nike and Michael Jordan's careers. Nike became a leader in the basketball shoe market, and Michael redefined what it meant to be an athlete. He showed that athletes could be entrepreneurs, trendsetters, and cultural leaders. Today, Air Jordans remain one of the best-selling sneakers in the world. Michael Jordan's name is synonymous with success, hard work, and legendary status. Through his partnership with Nike, he not only changed the sneaker market but also proved that athletes could inspire people far beyond sports. Michael's journey didn't end with basketball. After retiring in 1999, he focused on business. His Air Jordan brand grew into a global phenomenon, symbolizing greatness. In 2006, he became part owner and president of basketball operations for the Charlotte Hornets. He brought the same determination that made him a champion to his leadership role, working to improve the team and make it successful. Michael's influence goes beyond basketball. His story inspires people from all backgrounds to overcome failure and strive for greatness. One of his famous quotes, "I can accept failure, but I can't accept not trying," captures his mindset. He didn't fear failure because he knew it was part of the journey. What mattered was the effort and the determination to keep moving forward. Michael's philanthropy is another important part of his legacy. He has donated millions to causes like education, healthcare, and youth programs. For him, success isn't just about personal achievements, it's about helping others succeed too. Growing up in a small town in North Carolina, Michael wasn't born into fame or wealth. Through hard work and discipline, he became one of the most influential people in the world. He proved that your background doesn't define you, your actions do. Even today, Michael continues to inspire others through his speeches, leadership, and charitable work. His story shows us that setbacks and challenges don't define us, our response to them does. Michael Jordan used every failure as a step toward greater success. He faced doubts, injuries, and setbacks, but always came back stronger. Michael's journey is a powerful lesson in resilience, leadership, and believing in yourself. Success doesn't come overnight. It takes effort, dedication, and the determination to keep going. His life shows us that no matter how many times you fall, you can always rise again. Michael Jordan is more than just a basketball legend. He is a living example of perseverance, excellence, and unwavering inspiration. His story continues to motivate and shape the lives of millions around the world, especially for those who dream big and work tirelessly to turn their aspirations into reality. His legacy is not confined to the courts or the headlines. It transcends sports, becoming a beacon of resilience and a symbol of what can be accomplished with hard work and belief in oneself. Achieving your dreams isn't about taking the easiest or most straightforward path. It's about confronting the challenges along the way with determination, believing in yourself, and pushing through every setback. Michael Jordan's journey wasn't free of obstacles. In fact, he faced numerous hurdles, including being cut from his high school basketball team and hearing countless criticisms from those who doubted his abilities. Despite all of this, he never let the negativity or obstacles define him. Instead, he used those moments of doubt as fuel to propel himself further, showing that success isn't about avoiding failure, but about using it to grow stronger. The road to success is often winding, filled with moments where you may want to give up, but it's in these moments that character is built. Every failure is an opportunity for growth, every setback a chance to build resilience. Jordan's own struggles, whether it was overcoming personal tragedies, injuries, or the pressures of being the best, were not deterrents. They were stepping stones in his journey. They showed the world that success isn't defined by how many times you fall, but by how many times you rise after each fall, and how you rise stronger, wiser, and more determined than before. What Michael Jordan's career truly teaches us is the importance of staying focused, working relentlessly, and trusting the process. There is no overnight success, and there are no shortcuts. Every step, no matter how small, brings you closer to your goals. And even if the path seems difficult, the consistent effort and belief in your purpose will lead to progress. With every obstacle overcome, you gain more confidence and more understanding of what it takes to succeed. Success, after all, is not just about achieving your dreams, but about the journey itself. It's about the growth, the lessons learned, and the resilience built through overcoming hardship. Jordan didn't just become a basketball legend. He became a symbol of what is possible when you refuse to give up. He showed the world that anyone can rise above their circumstances, that anyone can break through limitations, and that anyone with the right mindset can achieve greatness. So, as you pursue your own dreams, remember that your journey is uniquely yours. Embrace the challenges, trust in your own abilities, and never lose sight of your goals. Take risks when necessary, step out of your comfort zone, and don't be afraid to fail. For each failure brings you one step closer to success. Keep pushing forward, stay committed, and always remember that with perseverance, hard work, and belief in yourself, you can achieve the impossible. Your potential is limitless, and the best version of your life is just ahead of you, waiting to be created through your determination.